tenor first?
Tenor first? Okay.
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 いいですか? So, tenor.
Also, that
Recording?
no, these parts,
Yeah.
they're laid back.
Laid back?
They're just
Okay.
a little
Okay.
like
Hi.
Anybody got a pencil?
はい。あります。
Okay, got one, got
はい
one.
はいはいはいはい。
Your song title sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, so we do the head,
Okay.
bridge, and then that interlude. Bounce, ganch, bounce, ganch, bounce, ganch, bounce.
Hold on. He's doing some kind of check.
Okay.
Just bar from bar 9. From bar 9.
Yeah,
You still continue to play the bass there?
yeah, yeah. And actually, I'm going to be playing that whole bass riff on the solos too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I might change
Right.
it, but it's pretty much going to be the same.
Yeah. So I do the same thing on the A section, the
Yeah.
unison.
Yeah. If you want, man. You know. Yeah. But if you wanna go off, man, it's cool. And probably I'll start this off
Mm-hmm.
just with the riff,
Mhm.
and then you guys come in when you want.
Yep.
Should we resolve it or? No, let's do that. It's very Japanese.
Maji D 行く
E flat.
E flat, right?
Yeah.
And then I'll go.
Just like that.
Sorry,
guys.
I had to resolve it.
Cool. Any pieces? Everybody good? Everybody?
Hi.
Yeah. I'll give you 2 bars. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Aaron.
I wrote piano solo first, and then guitar solo through the changes. I mean, no repeat through. あれ？そうだっけ？
Yeah, I thought it was just guitar.
Yeah, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
マジか。
Three against one.
3 to 1.
Okay.
You lose.
All right. You got it, man. Just me.
Sorry.
De,
I'm not playing on this.
でリピートしないで。リピートしないで。
No, that's just on the head.
On the solo, we take the whole form. Zenbu.
全部。So with the repeat して、
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
go down the system.
Right.
Second page.
But when the melody comes back in,
Last time, well, no repeat.
That's it.
Sure.
Yeah, that's what you want.
yeah,
That sound.
that's it.
Okay.
So after the solo, the melody comes back in, and we don't take the repeat.
All right.
We just keep going.
Okay.
And I think at measure 60, I think tenor only
Okay.
is good.
Alright.
Tenor only.
At 60.
At 60,
Melody.
that yeah, maybe.
Sorry,
No.
sorry.
Maybe you can
Too
join
many.
the second time.
Okay, alright.
You have that written anyway.
Yeah,
It says. I think that's cool.
yeah.
If
okay.
like the tenor just starts it out, because it's kind of like a softer thing,
Yeah.
and then the tune comes up a little bit here, and if you join,
Okay.
that's going to be good. And then here we're at the really like high point. So
Okay.
じゃあどうしよ
じゃあ、
う。ソロかな？
ソロのafter repeat からでする。
Okay. So
So
at the E sus E major 7 sus のやつ。
そう。So we did like bar 43 twice,
Right.
and let's start after that.
Okay.
That's a solo form, right?